And this is how high we can go, top floors shut. This is the lifts at Northbrook Street car park in Newbury. We got this one.
Going down.
We're going to go to 4.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Oh, we're going down. It's a temple lift with Leicester. Used to be an unknown. It's been modernised.
Ground floor. Going up.
Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos.
Floor 4.
Go back down to
Doors
G.
open. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Look at these buttons. Might have been a Fisson originally, judging by that lift alarm button there. It's got 2 alarms. I thought there was 3 alarms. It's got side panel and original panel, slapped on with Leicester and Dewhurst.
Ground floor.
We are G. I think only one is working.
Doors opening.
Yep, only one is working.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And there it goes.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This is the lift at the Kennett Centre in
Up.
Newbury. It used to be a Fisson. It's been modernised by Temple
Floor
with
3.
Leicester.
Doors opening.
Go down to G.
Going down.
This is another lift at the Kennett Centre in Newbury. Door close button does work like that. This one's an Arona. Capacity 8 persons, 6 to 8 kilos, built in 2009. It's maintained by Triangle. Go back down to G. This is the lift at the Corn Exchange in Newbury. It used to be a Dover Impulse. It's been replaced with a Cone Monospace. Capacity 11 persons, 900 kilos. Replaced in 2017. Go back down to G. Replaced in 2017. I was hoping for a Dover Impulse, but sadly it's been replaced. This is the lift it Boots in Newbury. This used to be a Schindler Keithley lift. It's been modernised by Pickering's with hydroware, hopefully. Capacity 16 persons, 1200 kilos. Yeah, it's hydroware. It's hydroware, which is good. Modernised in 2023, so this is a very fresh mod. It's got no voice. This is the lift at Camp Hobson in Newbury. This is a Kanika disc, capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built or modernised in 2005. This is a cone eco disc. This is the lift at Next in Newbury, and it's an Otis Gen 2 lift. 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2011. This was built. This also serves -2 car park level. And we'll go back up to G. We are back at G. And there it goes. Roll back at G. This is the lift at New Look in Newbury. It's going to be a Kanika disc. Capacity 13 persons, 1000 kilos, built in 2011. Back down to 0. Door closes when I press the button, I like that. It's a very nice lift. This is another lift at Parkway Centre in Newbury. It's another Otis Gen 2 lift, built in 2010. Capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilos. So this one's maintained by Crest. This is the lift at H&M in Newbury. It's a Schindler, older Schindler 3300. Capacity 9 persons, 675 kilos. Built in 2011. Go back down to 0. Door close does work, I like that.
Floor 0.
This is the car park lift at Marks and Spencer in Newbury. This one's going to be an Otis Gen 2. Door close button does work like that. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Year made 2010. This one serves the car park floors. Go back up to G. This is the main lift at Marks and Spencer in Newbury. We're going to go up to 1. It's a Jackson lift. Capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilos. It's a Jackson with Thames Valley. I think it's hydraulic. Modernised in 2015. It was probably an older lift, but I don't know what sort.
They get so bored, don't they? It's alright, my daughter's got one, they say.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
£2.70. I think you get 15 minutes to leave after you've paid. Oh. Try that again. That's not going in. Right, we'll try this pay station. The coins weren't going in that time. £2.70. It's going in now. That's the change. There's the receipt and there's the ticket, and you get 15 minutes to leave after you've paid. There we are. And that light will go out as well. There's 3 pay stations here. So the floors with A on are the floors with the lift access.